everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for some spring DIYs. This is going to be a series that I have, and this is part 1 of part 4. So join back here to see my other DIYs. They are all with items from the dollar store, or actually the Dollar Tree. So don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification on. So this video is all about succulents. I have 3 DIYs with succulents. I'm showing you the items here for DIY number 1. This one I'm calling my air plant. So this is my DIY air plants using some stones and sand. As well, I'm showing you an alternative option to use this moss, which you can get at the Dollar Tree as well, if you'd rather not use the stones and sand. But I'm going for a very clean, chic type look. And then of course some twine, which you can find in their hardware section normally, or their gardening section. All depends on how your Dollar Tree sets up. And then these really fun hanging globes. I don't know what you would call them, but they're the exact same globes that you would use for air plants. These are from the Dollar Tree. It is a new item that they have. I've never seen them at my Dollar Tree before. And then of course some succulents, which I showed you at the beginning of the video. So you can sometimes find succulents on their own at the Dollar Tree, but sometimes you find them in little pots, which is okay as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this first DIY before we move on to the next.
For
All right, moving on to DIY number 2. In front here, I have it mixed with my DIY number 3 supplies, but let me break it down for you for number 2. Super simple. I'm simply using 2 succulents and 2 candle holders from the Dollar Tree, and that is it, other than hot glue. What inspired me for this project was something that you would probably see at a store like HomeSense or Marshall's in the home decor section, and that's the look that I was going for, something very simple and chic and clean looking. So here are the 2 candle holders that I'm using and the 2 succulents that I'm using. This is such a simple project and the outcome is beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy DIY number 2. Alright guys, and my last DIY today for my part 1 of this series is a potted succulent decor piece. Now this pot is the only item that is not from the Dollar Tree, and I actually thrifted that at a second-hand store for $1.99. But you can find beautiful pots yourself at the Dollar Tree. You can paint them if you want them to be another color, but this beautiful pink went perfectly with the Zen type room that I want to use it for. So don't forget to check out your thrift store as well. It's great to reuse and you can find some really awesome items. So I'm showing you all the products here that I'm using. Everything else is from the Dollar Tree. So I'm showing you here all the different items, the succulents, the foam that I'm going to be using, the river stones rocks that I'm going to be using as well. And I'm also going to be using a little Buddha that I found at the Dollar Tree. You don't need to do that. I just added it for the extra type of look and feeling that I'm going for. You can literally just fill your pot up with a bunch of succulents and it would look beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoy this final DIY. All right, guys, so that sums up part 1 of my part 4 spring DIYs from the Dollar Tree. Leave me a comment below and tell me, out of these 3, which is your favorite? Which one are you going to try? All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and stay tuned for more DIYs coming your way. Thanks so much for watching, and love and peace to you all. Bye.